Greetings to everyone. Hope everyone is in pink of their health. My name is Suyash Tripathi and I am a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Currently, I am working as a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today we are going to discuss the sources of Muslim law. What does the term source mean? That it is the origin of the Muslim law, that where the law has been deduced from. So now we will discuss first we'll discuss the ancient source, and then secondly we will move towards the modern sources of Muslim law. So first the ancient source of Muslim law. The ancient source of Muslim law includes the Quran, Sunnah, Ijma and Qiyas. What does the term Quran mean? Quran is an holy book of Muslims, and it is believed to be the primary and the most ancient source of Muslim law. And it is believed that the Quran contains the words said by the Prophet Muhammad, said by the God himself to the Prophet Muhammad by the holy angel Gabriel in the caves of Makkah and Medina. Now, what are the features of the Quran? So first feature is that it has a divine origin. That it is said, as mentioned earlier, that it is believed that it contains the words of the God himself. It is said that the Quran is Al-Furqan, means something which leads person from falsehood to truth and from wrong to righteousness. Then second, that it is the first source, that it is the primary source of Muslim law. Third one, that it is in the form of verses which are called ayats. So there are 6,237 ayats in the Quran, which are contained in the 114 chapters, which are called surahs. Next, it is unchangeable, that no book of law, no court of law can alter the provisions of the Quran. Now, the second source, which is Sunnah. So Sunnah are the recorded traditions or the practice of the Prophet Muhammad. The Sunnah, the literal meaning of Sunnah is the trodden path. So Sunnah includes the acts or the tactics which were followed by the Prophet Muhammad when he was alive. Say for example, if the Prophet Muhammad used to get up at 6 a.m. so it became a rule, that it became a Sunnah, that all the people have to wake up at 6 a.m. That Prophet Muhammad, say for example, one more example, that Prophet Muhammad used to do namaz at 5 times a day. So it also became a rule, it became a law. Then the third source, which is Ijma. So what is Ijma? Ijma is the point where all the learned scholars of the Quran or the Muslim law make a common opinion, or where their opinions coincides. So it is believed that God will not let his people to make a common opinion at an error. So now we will move towards the fourth source of Quran, that is Qiyas. So what is Qiyas? Qiyas are the deductions from the Quran or any book of Muslim law. So now we'll move towards the modern sources. So what modern sources includes? Modern sources includes the legislations, judicial precedents, and the justice, equity and good conscience. So what are legislation? Legislations are the laws which are passed by the legislature. What is legislature? For example, in India we have Lok Sabha as a legislature at the central level. Then in every state we have the state legislatures. Some states have state legislative assembly also, and legislative council also. So they are responsible for making the laws, which are called legislations. Now the second thing, the judicial precedents. The judicial precedents are the laws or the rules made by the court itself. For example, if there is a case in which there is no law, then there is no rule written in the law, or there no rule written in the books of law, then the court can give its opinion, which will form a law for the subsequent cases, and it will be called as a precedent. And then justice, equity and good conscience, third one. So the justice, equity and good conscience means that if there is any question of law where there is no precedent, no legislation, no rule written in any book of law, no in Quran, Ijma or Qiyas, then the people can decide that question of law on the basis of justice, equity and good conscience. So what does the conscience mean? Good conscience means the inner feeling that what do you feel, what does your inner self feel about that question of law. So now I conclude here. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any query, please do comment in the comment box, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the further updates. Thank you.